Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel a PayPal payment. First, understand that direct cancellation is only possible under specific conditions, primarily if the payment is unclaimed. Begin by logging into your PayPal account and navigating to your activity page. Here, you'll find a detailed list of all your transactions. Carefully locate the specific payment you wish to cancel and check its current status. This initial step is crucial for determining your next course of action. If you find a payment listed with an unclaimed status, you're in luck, as these are the easiest to cancel. This status typically means the recipient hasn't yet accepted the funds. Simply locate the Cancel button or link directly next to that specific transaction in your activity feed. Click on it and then follow the prompts to confirm your decision. Once confirmed, the payment will be canceled and the funds will be returned to your account, usually within a few minutes. For payments showing a pending or completed status, direct cancellation isn't an option through your account. In these cases, your best course of action is to immediately contact the recipient. Politely request a refund, explaining the situation. If you don't receive a response or a refund, you can open a dispute through PayPal's Resolution Center. Remember, you have 180 days from the transaction date to initiate a dispute for eligible purchases, offering a layer of protection. To minimize future cancellation needs, always double-check recipient details before sending any money. Acting quickly is also key, as the window for canceling unclaimed payments is often short. Furthermore, maintaining clear records of all your PayPal transactions and any communication with recipients or PayPal support can be incredibly helpful. These proactive steps can save you time and potential frustration, ensuring your PayPal experience remains smooth and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.